Understanding visitor experience, a guide to enhancing your journey. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and crucial topic for both learners and professionals alike: visitor experience. This concept plays a significant role in various fields, especially in tourism, museums, events, and digital platforms. Understanding this can greatly improve how we design and interact with spaces and services. So, let's unravel the layers of visitor experience together. Visitor experience refers to the overall impression and feelings a person has before, during, and after visiting a physical or virtual space. It encompasses every touch point or interaction a visitor has with the place, service, or digital platform. The goal is to make this experience as positive and memorable as possible, ensuring visitors leave with a good impression and, hopefully, a desire to return. The visitor experience is made up of several key components. First impressions, the initial reaction or feeling a visitor has when they first encounter the space or service. Engagement, how the visitor interacts with the environment, activities, and content available to them. Atmosphere, the overall mood or ambience of the place, including aesthetics, comfort, and emotional impact. Customer service, the quality of assistance and services provided to visitors. Accessibility, how easily visitors can access and navigate the space or services, including considerations for people with disabilities. Follow-up, the interaction that occurs after the visit, which can include feedback surveys, newsletters, or social media engagement. Enhancing the visitor experience is crucial for several reasons. Satisfaction. A great experience leads to higher visitor satisfaction, which can translate into positive reviews and word-of-mouth recommendations. Loyalty. Satisfied visitors are more likely to become repeat visitors or loyal customers. Reputation. The cumulative effect of positive visitor experiences builds a strong, favorable reputation for a place or brand. Competitive edge. In a market where many options are available, a superior visitor experience can set a service or location apart from its competitors. Thank you for joining us today to explore the importance of visitor experience. We hope this video has shed light on why it's so vital and how it can transform the way visitors interact with spaces and services. Remember, creating a memorable visitor experience doesn't happen by accident. It requires thoughtful planning, execution, and continuous improvement. See you in the next video, and keep striving to make every experience a remarkable one.